everyone, this is Shivangi. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be creating this look. This is my kind of a Karwa Chauth look, guys. It is really bright and it's really festive, plus super simple to do as well. This is also a one brand tutorial, guys. Lakme did send me a bunch of their best sellers plus new launches, and I will be using all these products to create this look. And yeah, that's it. Now without wasting any more time, let's begin. Alright, I'm going to start off with primer first. I'm going to use Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. You know this is one of my favorite primers. I use it a lot of times in a lot of my tutorials. And what I love about this primer is that it's got this very light pink tint, so it instantly freshens up your face. Plus it gives a very smooth canvas as well for your makeup. Now I'm straight going to apply the foundation. I'll be using Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. Since I'm not using a concealer, Lakme actually sent me 3 different shades of foundation. This is my shade N220 and I've got a N200 and N340 here. So I will use N220 for my base. I will use N200 to highlight certain areas of my skin, and I will use N340 to contour. Now the good thing about this foundation is that it is medium to buildable full coverage foundation. So even if you don't use concealer with it, you can actually get pretty good coverage with this foundation. So first I'm applying the shade, which is my shade, N220 Neutral Medium. And I'm just going to blend it with a blender. Next, I will take N200 Neutral Nude, which is a slightly lighter shade, and I'm going to apply the shade on the areas which I want to highlight. Now just with the blender itself, I'm going to blend it out. Alright, done. And you can see that it has given me a clean and proper full coverage. Next is of course the contour, and you know I don't contour much usually. So I'm going to use this shade of foundation. This is N340 Neutral Almond, and I'm just going to apply it near my cheekbones and on my jawline. Again, I'm going to blend it out with the blender. Next, I'll use Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector in the shade Coffee. Alright, my eyebrows are all filled out. It's a really good brow pencil, guys. It is very pigmented and very nice. Now we'll get to the eyeshadow. I'll be using Lakme Absolute Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Sundowner. From this palette, I'm going to first take this beautiful orange shade, and first I'm going to apply it all over my crease and on the inner and outer corner of my eyelids. When you're applying the shade on the inner and the outer corner, you got to take the shade and tap it on the eyelid to pack the color properly. Okay, so this is how my eyelid is looking right now. Next, I'm going to take this yellow shade from the palette, and I'm going to apply it on my crease as well. I'm going to blend this shade with the orange that we applied on the crease. I'm moving the brush in circular motion to blend the shades properly. Next, I'm going to use this light golden shade from the palette, and I won't be using a glitter primer, and I know a lot of you ask me for a substitute for the glitter primer that I use. Now, if you don't have the glitter primer, all you need to do is take your brush, spray it with any makeup fixer. You can use literally any makeup fixer of your choice, and then use this wet brush to apply the glittery shade. So now I've sprayed this brush with a makeup fixer. I've picked out the pigment and I'm going to apply it in the center of my eyelid. And at this point of time, this is how your eyelid will look like. Now it's time to clean it up. And to clean it up, I'm again going to dig into this orange shade which we applied on the inner and outer corner. And very lightly, I'm going to pack it again. And with light strokes, I'm blending this orange with the golden shade that we applied on the center. I'm also going to very lightly run the brush through my crease. Lastly, I'm going to take a bit more of this yellow shade and again apply it on my crease to clean this look up a little. And that's it. This eyelid is complete. I'm quickly going to finish the other one. Then I'll come back and we'll get to the lower lash line. Alright, so I've completed the eyeshadow on both my eyelids. Now coming to the lower lash line, I'm going to again dig into this orange shade on the palette. And I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line halfway through. Next, I'm going to take Lakme Absolute Kohl Ultimate Kajal and I'm going to apply it on my upper and lower waterline. This kajal is really nice as well, guys. It is jet black and it gives one swipe pigmentation. It's actually a really good kajal. After applying the kajal on my upper and lower waterline, I'm going to apply a little bit of kajal near my lower lash line. Just this much, like just very little. And after doing this, I'm going to use the smudger which comes with this kajal. I'll give you a closer look. This is how the smudger looks like. So with this smudger, I'm going to smudge this line a little bit. Just like this. It just adds a bit more definition to your eyes. And after smudging the kajal, one last time I'm going to take this orange shade and apply it on top of the smudged kajal. That's it. The eye look is complete. Now we'll add the final touches. I will apply false lashes, but before that I'm going to use one coat of mascara. I'll use Lakme Absolute Flutter Secrets Volumizing Mascara. So this mascara gives a very natural lift to your lashes. It does not clump at all. If you're somebody who wants like a mascara which looks natural and at the same time gives a bit of lift to your lashes, then you can definitely consider getting this one. Now I'm going to quickly wear false lashes off camera and come back. Alright, I'm back after putting on false lashes. Now we'll get to the blush, highlight and lip color. And for blush today, I'll be using Lakme Absolute Blush Duo in the shade Rose Blush. Next for highlight, I'll use Lakme Absolute Moonlit Highlighter. I will be using the lighter shade from the highlighter first to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. And next I'll highlight all the high points of my face with it. And lastly, for my lips, I'll use a Lakme Matte Melt Lip Color in the shade Red Smoke. The makeup look is all complete, guys. Now I'm just gonna go and get ready and come back. And with that, we have come to an end of this tutorial, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. This is the final look, and I have left my hair open, but that's because I am really bad with making different hairstyles. But you can carry this look with a bun or a juda or any hairstyle of your choice. And lastly, guys, all the products from Lakme which I used to create this look, the quality of each and every product is really nice. Otherwise, it is not possible to pull off a look like this. Especially the eyeshadows. I did make an entire video on these palettes. I'll link it somewhere here. You can check it out. The shades are buildable and they blend beautifully, guys. That's what I love about these palettes the most. Anyway, with that, we've come to an end of this video, guys. If you're not following me on Instagram, then ensure that you do. I keep posting makeup related updates on my Instagram handle as well. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, then please subscribe to our channels. We've got 3 channels: Hindi, English and Bengali, and we are trying to build a really happy and positive ecosystem right here on YouTube. Your support would mean the world to us, guys, so please hit that red button and stay tuned. On that note, I'm gonna sign off for now. Take care of yourself and stay safe, guys. Happy Karwa Chauth. Bye bye. Mwah.